Welcome to Living Waters Landscaping. Today's project is a custom cut boulder fountain that flows into an existing koi pond that our clients had us retrofit when the waterfall failed. Eventually we're going to drill a hole out through here, and actually we're going to cut a little sluice right here for the water to fall, because this is going on the side of an existing pond, so it's going to bubble up here and fall into the pond. We're going to hang it over the edge of the pond right here, going down about 8 inches deep into this. Should be pretty cool. Getting there. 5 inches deep now, just shaking this up. That looks beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at all the little striation lines in there.
Nice.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. There we go. Alright, here we are. So this waterfall failed. So what we're doing here is pouring a slab with some liner, a little bib or skirt liner, going into the pond. We're gonna set the fountain hanging out probably about to here, so it'll sit back in there. We got the plumbing line from the pump running under here, and it should be cool.